So we are back again guys sa panibagong episodes ng ating reaction na video. At ngayon ay magre-reaction naman tayo ng short horror film at ito ay pinamagatang Mora. Ay hopefully ay itong short film na to ay sana hindi siya copyrighted. Okay? Lalo na yung background music nito. I hope hindi siya copyrighted. Simulan natin. By the way, bago tayo magsimula kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na at nandyan lang po yun sa may baba. So simulan na natin. Generate. Okay? Gagi. So feeling ko bawal ata to sa YouTube. Gagi, ang creepy. Bodies on the floor covered in blood and root. Okay. Generate. EA lang siya, no? Hindi ko sure kung pwede ito sa YouTube kahit na EA siya. Oh, ito yun.
You still working?
Check this out.
Ang creepy, no? Hayop.
Jesus, Cody.
The rumor online is that this woman, Mora, will show up in AI images if you use the right prompts.
Ah.
But
Itong babae, pangalan niya Mora. Okay.
it's only with pictures of death and gore. Like she's drawn to it. Here.
People have found these pictures from AI creators on Twitter and Reddit. She shows up visually consistent in all of them. Same scars, same elongated arm, totally unprompted.
It's basically impossible for an AI to do.
EA siya, okay.
If I can just reverse engineer these sightings, find the right prompt,
Yuck.
I know I can find
Linta
her.
yata yun.
Why would you want to find her?
Well, actually, she's an anomaly. If I can reliably catch the first ghost in the machine, I could really make a name for myself, like for us in this space.
Jesus. Is that really what you want to be known for?
Yeah, I had 3 clients last week told me they no longer needed my help. Like, they didn't say it, but it's the same story I've heard everywhere.
Why pay an artist when you can have the AI do it for free?
Your work has personality. An AI can't do that.
No, personality doesn't keep the lights on. Need something more shocking to even be seen above the noise now.
Ang creepy ng mukha, oh, kahit EA.
You know, your ghost doesn't look like she wants to be caught.
What?
She just looks so sad and alone. I'd be too if I was trapped in pictures like that. I'm going to sleep. Enjoy your new music, Cody.
Gagi, naka 4K pala tayo. Oh. Okay. Ang tagal ah. Gago ka. Ay, gago ka. Hala, naglag na. Hala. Gago, nag-iiba yung ano. Tulog muna yung kuya. Mege pa. Nagbukas ng kusa.
Holy shit. I found you.
Gagi, ang creepy nung ano, itsura. Kahit AI, ang creepy. Eh. Wala, daming lumabas.
No.
Na-imagine mo na. Shit, nosebleed. Ah. Hala. Yak. Ah. Natas na labas sa mata. Ay! Hindi ko sure kung pwede ito sa YouTube. Ah! Sakit nan. Aray ko. Ayan na siya par. Gagi, ang creepy. Hayop.
Hannah?
Ay, yung kanyang jowa.
Hannah?
Galing. Putik yan. Oh. Gagang creepy, hayop. Yak, puro uod. Ah! Ah! Grabe, ang galing, hayop. So, I hope wala siyang copyright. Sana lang. Yun lang, ingat and God bless. See you on the next one video. Paalam.